Good morning, guys. 25th of August, 2021, and welcome to the Storm Morning meeting. Just to discuss a bit of the theme, that's been happening in our market at the moment. We've had quite a big program selling Naspers in process and buying the rest of the PGM space and commodities and, one or two of the locals in the basket. I think it's if you position or you've been in the right sectors, there's been quite a lot of decent opportunities there. If not, it's been quite frustrating. Let's have a look into today. I think we've got Jackson's Hole towards the end of the week. Last night in the States, we had the Russell and meme stocks trading really, really well. I think you had tech sort of pushing, holding in there, 10-year creeping a little bit higher, and the reflation trade pretty much back on. I think you saw China stabilizing a lot of their comments in their economy and with the approval of the FDA Pfizer vaccine. I think you had sort of a lot of the commodities and the reflation trade back on. Looking to this morning, you got Tencent that's up 1%. Decent commentary between China, so there is some decent sort of positive optimism there. You've got the dollar was a little bit stronger this morning. Gold's off about $8, $9. Platts off a little bit. So the commodities a little bit off, but I think the key will be to focus on to see if the Naspers and process selling is still there and whether we can move on. So just a few ideas. I think Standard Bank's one of them. Was pretty decent volume on the day. I think this one has lagged the other banks. We waited for a pickup in the volume, and it's there. So I think this is one that we look to own with a stop loss around 138. Looking to pick up maybe this morning if we can on a bit of weakness, and I think we could see this stock trade closer to 150. Maybe not on the day, but in the coming days or weeks. The next one that we are looking at is Dis-Chem. Dis-Chem came with placement of stock from Mr. Saltzman at 30.30. Stock sort of hasn't been able to punch. There's been just two action at about 32. Definitely been play this morning. Let's watch this. Let's see. Keep note that the 200-day is around 26.70. So we would see a little bit of pressure in the stock, I think, today, but want to keep your eye on your radar. Woolies due tomorrow. One that we could be pretty decent if you watch the way ShopRite and the others are trading at the moment. I think, if the stock, I think it's one to own around, 59.50, 58. Decent, I think, risk reward here if it can clear and break out 61.80. So keep an eye maybe on Woolies into tomorrow. And then Telkom. Telkom's one that's been really, really frustrating. You've had the whole sector that's outperformed. I think we must have a closer look to it. I'm not saying to pick bottoms or anything of the sort, but I think it's watch for. It's had a bit of a flush. Let's watch and see if we can hold around 38. I think 38 sort of like previous lows. I know there's an AGM that's I think today or tomorrow. Keep a close eye on it. I think have a strict stop loss of about 37.50. If you're going to look to have a bit of a long idea here. That's pretty much all for today. I think we're going to give a little bit of more of a play into Friday and what sort of outcomes we could be looking at in how to play the Fed and their tone. I think there's going to be some decent plays in our commodity space. Good luck for the day.